Today, I'm continuing my shop build and putting up my French cleat tool storage wall. Alright, by now I should be done my miter station workbench and the video should be posted up, so go check that out if you haven't already. Right now I'm going to be focusing my attention to tool storage. My plan is to put a French cleat system up on the wall for storing a whole whack of my tools. Before I put the cleats up, I do want to paint this plywood. Now what I'm going to attempt to go with is actually wood finish. So this is a black wood finish. I think the black will look good in contrast with the lighter wood cleats. Now I don't know how this wood finish is going to apply to plywood. I haven't really tried it out before, so this is kind of experimental, but we'll see how it works. I'm going to get to taping off some sections and putting that up there. Okay, walls are all painted and I'm ready to start making some French cleats here. To start, I'm just using leftover pieces that I have and seeing how far I get. This is 3/4 inch plywood. Some of it's pretty beat up and dirty. I'll clean that up the best that I can. To make the cleats, I'm ripping some strips down on the table saw and then ripping them again down the middle at a 45-degree angle. If you're new to French cleats, one side goes on the wall and the other side goes on what you want to hang on it, and it just locks in place along that 45-degree angle. I found it helpful to also cut a tiny strip off the edge. They can get pretty sharp, so make sure you're careful with that. Some people seem to really dislike French cleats. A few reasons that I chose them is because my tool collection is always slowly growing and I want to be able to change my setup as I go along. I also don't need to have my layout all pre-planned before I start making tool holders. I can place them where I need as I need, and I can have tool holders that I can take off the wall and move over to my workbench if I need to as well. To put the cleats up on the wall, I just pre-drilled some holes in them and used a board to make sure there was consistent spacing between them. I went with about a 5-inch gap between cleats, and of course you could make that gap larger or smaller based on your needs. That's it for now. My next video is already posted, so go check that one out too. Oh, and like and subscribe. It's free.